Thank you, ma'am. Okay. You are on your own, ma'am.
Okay, so we will try to review first. Maybe you know how to past tense. Okay.
You can talk
Also,
louder, ma'am. Talk louder.
yes, sir. Although we are not yet with the tenses of the verb, sir, but we will try, sir, if they have, they still remember the lesson that we had last time, sir. Okay, so for our, as a review, I would like to ask somebody to answer what is the past tense of uh, buy. Buy. I'm going to buy candy in the store. What is the past tense of buy?
You have to raise your hand first.
You
Raise
have
your
to
hand.
raise your hands first.
Okay. Oh, okay. Nicole did. Nicole, right?
Yeah.
Well, yes,
Okay,
Nicole.
Nicole. Okay, she is now in front, so she doesn't need to
Yes.
challenge anybody. Okay. All right.
Yes.
The past tense of buy is bought.
Very good. So the past tense of buy is actually bought. Right?
Okay.
So
Okay.
next,
Good.
who
Now
else?
she can stay. She
Yes.
can stay in the front row. Okay, next.
Yes,
There
sir.
are three more,
I
guys.
may even
You have to go
replace.
quick.
Yes, sir. Okay, what is the past tense of see? See. I see her
Raise your hand.
coming. What is the past tense of see? I see her coming. Is it still Nicole? But how about the others?
Okay.
How about the others? Would like to answer. I see her coming. Would like to answer. Okay, Mariana. Mariana, what is the past tense of see?
The past tense of see is saw.
Very good. Okay, so because of that, I will have to.
No. Let's see. Let X her. Let X Mariana.
Yes.
Who she want to challenge?
Yes, Mariana, who would you like to challenge between the three, Rosa, Ethan, and Lee? If they will not be able to answer, you have to replace their position. Where is Mariana?
Yeah, she came late. Okay, she came
Yes,
late,
sir.
so she doesn't know. Okay, she is gone now. Let's move. Move to the next one.
Okay. How about, okay, I will have to ask Lynn. Lynn, what is the past tense of play? Play. Play. What is the past tense of play?
Teacher, I can't hear you.
Raise your hand.
Cannot hear me?
Yeah, you have to
Yes.
speak louder, mom. Speak louder.
I do not know what's wrong with this one. Okay, so what is the past tense of play? Play. Anyone?
Raise your hand. Raise your
Who would
hand.
like to answer? Play. Okay, Nicole again. How is this?
No,
Okay,
Nicole, you already sit in front. You do not need to participate. All right, no.
yeah.
Now move on, mom. Move on. Next
Okay.
question.
Vinka. Vinka would like to answer, sir.
Okay, ask her who he want to challenge first.
Vinka, who you would like to challenge first? She's already on the front seat, sir. In the front seat. Front, yes.
Lynn?
Lynn, okay.
No. See, they don't understand. Okay?
Yes.
You, okay? Jadi ya, jadi prosedurnya begini anak-anak. I talk in Indonesian now, so they don't
Okay,
understand
sir.
some of them.
Okay,
Okay? Kalau Mam Samira tanya, apa bentuk past tense dari satu kata verb? Ya, langkah pertama, kamu harus raise your hand. Raise your hand. Ya, seperti ini. Sekarang ini Vinka ya, atau Mariana. Habis itu, kamu harus kasih tahu kamu mau challenge siapa. Yang kamu challenge itu di front row. Di front row. Oke? Yang di depan itu. Di depan siapa? Ibu Rosa, Jose, Lynn, dan Vinka. Ya. Let's take an example. Okay, go ahead, Mom. You ask question again.
Okay, another question. What is the
Okay, I saw
past
the hand.
tense?
Okay, all right. Now, go ahead, Mom.
What is the past tense of sell? Sell. I sell seashells at the seashore. Sell. Sell. S-E-L-L. Sell. What is the past tense of sell?
Raise your hand.
I'd like to
Okay,
answer.
one. Who is that?
What is this?
Ask her. Ask her. Who
Is
she
it?
want to challenge?
Who do you want to challenge? Is it Binka? Is it you, Binka? Yes, it's Binka. Who would you
Oh,
like to
Finca
challenge?
already in front row.
Later.
Okay, go ahead. She
Already.
doesn't need to challenge anybody.
Okay. What
Okay.
is the past tense of sell, Binka?
I think it's sold.
So, very good, Binka. So, Binka
Yeah.
will not
So,
move anymore, right, sir?
yeah.
She will remain
That's a
at
good.
the
So
front
she
row.
can stay. She can stay in front.
Okay, sir.
I can hear you, miss.
Okay, we do not know what is happening, Nicolas. You cannot hear me. Maybe the rain is very. Is it raining in
You
Indonesia
sound
right
very
now?
small.
Eh, I do not know what is happening. Oh, okay. Maybe it's because of your. Maybe it's because of your the weather. It's raining in Indonesia right now. Am I loud enough? No. Kelas, can you
Still
hear me
Okay.
now?
no.
It's okay. It is connection. Move on. Move on.
Okay. Okay, so another thing is, what is the past tense of uh, write? I write a letter. Write. I write a letter.
Me.
Raise your hand.
Nicolas?
Raise your hand. Raise
Okay.
your hand first.
Okay, who would you like to challenge, Nicolas? Choose among those in front.
Somebody. Nicholas. Is that Nicholas? Raise her
Yes,
hand.
sir. Yes,
Vinka.
sir. Is it Vinka again? I thought it's Nicolas.
Vinka.
There is a hand. You would like to challenge Vinka? Okay. So it is Vinka who would answer, sir, or is it Nicolas?
Me, Nicholas.
Okay, Nicolas, what is the past tense of write?
Road.
Wrote. Okay, so since it is correct, I will have to move Vinka. Am I right, sir?
Yes.
Did I?
Yes.
Okay.
Yes.
I
You
will
move
have.
Finca on the back.
Okay. So
Okay.
I
Now move.
replace. Okay.
Yeah.
Next. Another
Nicholas open
is.
cam. Nicholas did not
Yes.
open his cam.
Maybe it's
All
because
right.
of the
Sorry,
connection, sir.
Finca. Okay. Sorry, Finca. You are now moved to the back. You can challenge him back. Okay.
Yes,
Yeah.
Vinka, would you like to answer? You can challenge
Yeah.
any
Next
of
time
the
you can
4
challenge.
students in front.
Okay. Next question.
Yes, sir. Okay, next question is, what is the past tense of, wait. I am actually not prepared for these tenses. What
How
is
about
the
run?
past tense of
Run.
run? Okay, run.
Raise your hand. Who is on the back? Oh, Finca.
Vinka,
Finca.
who would you like to challenge, Vinka?
I think I will challenge Mom Rosa.
Ma'am Rosa, okay. Ma'am Rosa it is.
Okay, the past tense of run is ran.
Yes, what? Run. What is the spelling?
The past tense of run is ran.
Is it run? Ren? Is it ren? What do you think? What is the correct answer, Vinka?
Yeah, I think it's run.
What is the spelling?
R-A-N.
Okay, very good. It is run, but the spelling is not the same. It should be R-A-N. Sorry, Rosa. You can challenge Vinka later, okay? I will have to move Vika on your position right now.
Okay.
Okay. So I have here something, sir. I think I
This is
will have to
good.
look at this, sir.
You see that? Now they will learn,
Yes,
Mom.
sir.
They will learn. Okay. All right.
Yes,
Now
sir.
let's start. Let's start again. The next one.
Okay, sir. This one. Okay, next. Okay. Okay. What is the past tense of eat? Eat. I eat my dinner. Eat. I will eat my dinner, by the way. I will eat my dinner. What is the past tense of eat?
Raise your
Eat.
hand.
Raise your hand. Ethan.
Mariana.
Ethan,
Mariana.
where is Ethan? Is it Mariana, sir?
You see
Oh,
Mariana? Raise her hand.
Mariana, what is the past tense of eat?
Ask her who she
No,
wants to
it's Ethan,
challenge.
sir. It's Ethan. Ethan, who would you like to challenge Ethan? It's Ethan, sir.
Jose.
Who would you like to
Jose.
challenge Ethan?
Jose. Jose.
Jose. Okay, Jose. I would like to ask you, what is the past tense of eat? I will eat my dinner. Eat.
Is it 8?
What is? It is 8. So
8.
Jose will remain in his seat. So you cannot force Jose to go out of his seat. Okay, very good, Jose. Okay, another thing. What is the past tense of listen? Listen. What is the past tense of listen?
You see Mariana? Raise her
listen.
hand.
Listen.
You
It's
see Mom
Ethan
Mariana
again,
on the
sir.
right.
It's Ethan, sir. It's Ethan. It's Ethan once
Okay.
again, sir. Okay, Ethan. Who would you like to challenge, Ethan?
Let me think about it first.
You think about it first. What is the past tense of listen? Listen. Just choose
Nicholas.
among the 4 students.
Nicholas.
Nicolas. Okay, Nicolas. What is the past tense of listen?
Past tense of what?
Listen. I listen
Yes.
to the music every night. Listen. What is happening with your face? We cannot see you.
I don't know, miss.
Okay,
Maybe
Mom.
because
Here, Mom. If
Yes,
somebody
sir.
already in front row, you don't need to give them the chance.
Okay, sir.
Okay. Now,
Okay, sir.
I think we only have 4. Okay. Every time we have 4. And after 4 questions, that's it. Okay. You can continue with your lecture.
Okay,
Otherwise,
sir.
it, okay, we spend too many time. Okay,
Yes,
Mariana, lower your hand. Okay, you,
It's
all right. So remember, what is the first procedure? Okay, you raise your hand. Okay, you raise your hand and then you ask who you want to challenge. Okay, and then you say it. All right. Now, good luck, ma'am. Okay, so Harry have
okay,
to
sir.
go. Okay,
Yes,
I
sir.
have to drive.
Thank you very much, sir.
Okay,
Bye-bye,
bye-bye,
sir.
everyone.
Happy trip.
Have fun.
Bye-bye. Very good,
Bye,
sir.
sir.
Bye, sir Hardy.
Sir.
Okay, so we will continue with our lesson. So before we proceed with the tenses, we are going back to the lesson that we had last time. So last
Miss,
time, yes,
I went to bathroom.
yes, you may go to the bathroom right now.
Thank you,
You
miss.
need to come back later. Okay, so when we talk about the lessons that we had last time, who can still remember what we had discussed last meeting? What was our lesson last meeting?
Types of sentences.
Everyone? What is it, Rosa? What was our lesson last meeting?
Types of sentences.
types of sentences. Very good. So we talk about the types of sentences. We have four types of sentences, right? The first is the four types of sentences that the four types for the sentences. We talk about the subject, right? What are the four types of subject? Remember, we talk about the first one, which is the people, the place, the animals, and the things. And then the other type of subject, for the other one is that we talk about the four types of sentences. What is the first type of sentences? Who can still remember?
Declarative sentences,
Declarative sentences. Very good, Rosa. What else?
interrogative sentences,
Imperative.
Imperative sentences.
Exclamator.
exclamatory sentences,
Exclamatory sentences. And the last one is imperative sentence.
interrogative
Yes.
sentences.
Interrogative sentences. Okay, when we talk about declarative sentences, remember? When we talk about declarative, yes, Nicholas, you may go to the bathroom. When we talk about declarative sentences, how do we write a declarative sentences? How we start with when we write the sentence, how do we write it first? We should start with what? You should start with what?
To convey information or make statements.
Very good. The meaning of declarative sentence is to convey information or what is it
Make
again?
statements.
Make statements. Very good. But if I am going to ask you to write a sentence, especially a declarative sentence, how do you write a declarative sentence? How does it start? It starts with a capital letter and ends with what? It will end with a period. Okay? It will end with a period. Okay. So Rosa yes, very good, Rosa. So Rosa answered the question, which is the definition of declarative sentence, which tells us that it conveys information or makes statements. Okay. In layman's term, how do you understand declarative sentence? Declarative sentence, it is as if you are what? You are simply making a
simple statements.
Simple statement, or you are simply telling them a story, right? You are making a story, you are telling them a story about something. For example, I saw my crush yesterday. So you are simply telling them what happened to you. You are simply giving them information about what you did yesterday or what happened to you yesterday, right? So it is actually a declarative sentence. So a declarative sentence, same with other sentences, it should start with a capital letter, take note, and it will end with a period. Okay, interrogative sentence. What is interrogative sentence? What is interrogative sentence?
To request information or ask question.
Very good. To request information or to ask question. How does interrogative sentence starts? How do we write a interrogative sentence? We start with what? Start with a capital letter and ends with, how do we end the declarative sentence? Question mark. Very good. So in other words, the interrogative sentence is simply asking questions. Okay, wait a minute. I will have to include Tinka. It is as if you are asking question. You want to gather information. That is why you are asking questions. Like for example, what is your name? What is your name? What is your name is in a form of interrogative sentence because it ends with a question mark and it is asking information, right? It is requesting information from you. It is asking questions. Okay, next. What is the third types of sentences? What is the third types of sentences?
Imperative sentence.
Imperative sentence. So what is imperative sentence? What is imperative sentence?
To make comments.
Make commands or? Is the other one? Make commands or?
Make statements.
Statements. Is it statements? Make commands or what?
Make
Make
comments.
commands or requests.
Request. Request,
Very
sorry.
good. Make command. It's okay, Rosa. Make commands or requests. So, for example, please leave your slippers outside. Please leave your slippers outside. You are actually requesting them to leave their slippers outside the house. What else? Just open the door. So you are commanding them to open the door. Do not close the door. Something like that. Okay? So that is imperative sentence. How about the last one? How about the last one? What is the last type of sentences?
Exclamatory.
Sentence.
Exclamatory.
Exclamatory sentence. Very good. Exclamatory sentence. So what is exclamatory sentence?
To show emphasis.
Come again. It
To show emphasis.
through emphasis. Very good. It emphasizes certain words, right? It gives emphasis. It exaggerates some words. For example, oh, it's hot. Something like that. So you are actually exaggerating so that you can give emphasis on that specific subject or specific word, right? So you are trying to give emphasis by exaggerating some specific words. Okay, I have here, I just do not know if you can see this one, but I have here, I got this one from the Google Chrome. We will try to answer this one. Okay, we will try. Can you see this one? So you do not need to circle, okay? You do not need to circle. We are not going to circle it. But what we are going to do is that we are simply going to choose the different punctuation mark. So the first one is the period. The second one is the question mark. And the third one is exclamatory point or exclamatory mark. Okay, for example, number one, is that your teddy bear? What are we going to use? What punctuation are we going
Question
to
mark.
use?
Question mark.
Very good. Because you are asking question, you need to place a question mark. You do not write a period. Okay, so since you are asking question, you need to write question mark. Okay, I have 2 dogs. I have 2 dogs. What punctuation are
Period.
we going to use? Period. Very good, Jose. We are going to use period. Okay, close the door. Close the door.
Exclamatory.
It can be exclamatory or it can
Period.
be, yes, it can also be period because it depends how I say it. Close the door or you close the
Imperative
door.
sentence.
Yes. So this is it, but we know this one that it should be imperative sentence. Very good. Do you like peace?
Question mark. Question mark.
Very good. Can you ride the bike?
Question mark.
Question mark. Don't talk back to me.
Exclamation mark.
Exclamation mark. Yes. How old are you?
Question mark.
Question mark. Where is the cat?
Question mark. Question mark.
Question mark. Hooray.
Exclamation mark.
Huh?
Exclamation mark.
Exclamation mark. Very good. When you get there, we'll eat.
Period.
Get there.
Period.
Very good. Where is the car?
Question mark. Question mark.
Question mark.
Question mark.
Let's take a walk.
Period.
Period. Do you watch cartoons?
Question mark. Question mark.
Very good. Don't blame me. Don't blame me.
It could be exclamation. It could be exclamation.
Exclamation mark. Very good.
Exclamation mark.
Yes, it is exclamation mark. Okay, let's try another one. I will stop sharing first, but we will try another one. Okay? Okay, wait.
Miss, may I go to the toilet?
Yes, you may go to the toilet. Okay, wait. This one. So we will try to use this one. Okay, wait. Okay. Okay, this one. Okay, so you can see this one, right? It's not this one. I'm sorry, I clicked the wrong one. Sorry about that one. Okay, this one. Okay, I clicked the wrong one. I'm really sorry about that. So what we are going to do is that we are going to identify the sentences. Okay? We are going to identify the sentences. Okay, look at this. I accidentally clicked the wrong one. So I got this one from the internet. So maybe you are trying to ask me. So I got this one from the internet. So what we are going to do is to identify each type of sentence and what are those four types of sentences? Those are declarative, imperative, exclamatory, and interrogative sentences. Okay, look at this. Number one. Okay, are you ready? Number one. The students wanted to go on a field trip. The students wanted to go on a field trip. What is that? The students wanted to go on a field trip. What do you think it is?
Imperative? Imperative?
Is it imperative? What do you think? The students wanted to go on a field trip.
Declarative.
It is declarative. Why it is declarative? Jose. It is Jose, right? It is Jose who answered. Why do you think it is declarative? Who answered it? By the way, I cannot see you.
Tristan.
Tristan. Why is it declarative? It is because you are trying to convey information. You are trying to give them information that the students wanted to go on a field trip, right? You are simply trying to tell them that the students wanted to go on a field trip. Okay, very good, Tristan. Okay, number two. Can we go to the Adventureville theme park? Can we go to the Adventureville theme park? What is this? Declarative, imperative, exclamatory, or interrogative sentence? What is this? Anyone? You can actually write.
Interrogative sentence?
It is interrogative sentence. Why do you think it is interrogative sentence? Because
it is asking a question.
Very good. Because it is asking a question. Very good, Nicole. Okay, next. Be on your best behavior for the next 2 weeks. Be on your best behavior for the next 2 weeks. Be on your best behavior for the next 2 weeks. Why do you think I am trying to imply? I am trying to I am trying what do you think? Is it I am trying to tell you a story or gives you information? Is it that I am asking you a question? Is it that I am
Command.
exaggerating something or gives emphasis? What is it? Or is it that I am trying to give you request or command? What do you think?
You're getting request or command.
Okay, I am giving you request or command. That is why it is imperative sentence. Very good. Okay, next. About this one. After a long weeks of keeping their hands to themselves, quietly focusing on instruction and cleaning up their messes, the students were regarded with a feeling. After a couple long weeks of keeping their hands to themselves, quietly focusing on instruction and cleaning up their messes, the students were regarded with a field trip. What kind of sentences is this? Declarative, imperative, exclamatory, or interrogative sentence?
Declarative sentence.
What is it now, Rosa?
Declarative sentence.
Declarative sentence. Why is it declarative sentence? Very good. It is declarative sentence. Why is it declarative sentence?
To convey information.
Yes, you are trying to convey information or you are giving them information. Very good, Rosa. Okay, number 5. We are so excited going to Adventureville. We are so excited going to Adventureville.
Exclamatory sentence.
Exclamatory sentence. So it gives emphasis about their going to Adventureville. Okay, number 6. How far away is the park from the school and what time do we have to come home? How far away?
Interrogative sentence.
Sir, got it.
Very good. It is interrogative sentences. So it is asking question. Okay, very good. But the park is 3 hours away from the school and we'll have to be back by 3 for the buses. But the park is 3 hours away from the school and we'll have to be back by 3 for the buses. What is that?
Exclamatory.
Exclamatory sentence. So when you were asked, it is obviously exclamatory sentence because of the presence of exclamation mark or exclamation point. Very good. Number 8. Please quit asking questions and just be happy. Quit asking questions and just be happy. What is this? Declarative, imperative, interrogative, or
Imperative. Imperative.
very good. It is imperative. Okay, next, number 9. But if it takes us 6 hours to get there and back, and we have to be back by 3 p.m. by 3, we'll only be able to stay for 30 minutes. But if it takes us 6 hours to get there and back, we have to be back by 3, we'll only be able to stay for 30 minutes. What is this?
Declarative sentence.
Declarative sentence. Very good. Number 10. The students wondered why they were going to Adventureville. The students wondered why they were going to Adventureville.
Declarative.
Declarative sentence. Very good. Okay, so it is declarative sentence. Okay, you still want another worksheet? Still want another worksheet that we are going to use? Yes, okay. Let's find another worksheet. Okay, so we will try to find another worksheet wherein we are going to answer it. Okay, this one, it's a little bit easy. Okay, so this one, we'll try to answer another question. Again, it is taken from the internet. Okay, so the credit should be from the internet. Okay, some types of sentences. So we will decide what type of sentence it is. So the 4 types of sentences again are declarative sentence, interrogative sentence, exclamatory sentence, and the last one is the imperative sentence. Okay, number 1. Don't drop those apples. Don't drop those apples.
Imperative sentence.
Imperative sentence. Very good. You are commanding them not to drop the apples. Okay. Don't scare the birds away. Don't scare the birds
Imperative.
away. Imperative
Imperative.
sentence. Okay. Do you think it's imperative? It can also be don't scare the birds away. One.
Exclamatory.
Exclamatory sentence. It can also be. So it will depend how I say this one, right? Okay, next. You have your own computer.
Interrogative.
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 Yes, please be careful. Please be careful.
Imperative.
Imperative. Imperative sentence. Very good. What is the first letter of the alphabet?
Interrogative. Interrogative.
Interrogative.
Interrogative.
Yes. Can we watch a movie tonight?
Interrogative.
Interrogative. Go to your class right now.
Imperative.
Your class imperative. So you are commanding them to directly go to their classes. Okay. Tomorrow we are going to the zoo.
Declarative. Declarative.
Declarative. Yes, declarative sentence. Today is a very sunny day.
Declarative.
Today is a very declarative. My name is Francisca.
Declarative.
Declarative.
Wow, that looks amazing.
Exclamatory.
Sorry.
Exclamatory. What is your name? Yes, it is
Exclamatory.
What is your name?
Interrogative.
Interrogative. Please open the door.
Interrogative.
Okay, what is your name? Interrogative. Please open the door.
Imperative.
Imperative. Do you like chocolate cake?
Interrogative.
Interrogative.
Please come down to eat your breakfast.
Imperative.
Imperative. Yes, it is imperative. So you are slowly getting the lesson, right? Do you still want another one, or we are going to proceed with the next one? I think another one, right? Another one. Yes, we will have to look for another one. Let me have another example. Okay, this one. Okay, this one. Then, the credit should be taken from the internet because this was taken from the Google Chrome or the internet. Okay, so types of sentences. So we are going to write the types of sentences that are written below. Since we cannot write, we are simply going to identify. So the first is to command, which is imperative. The second one is a statement, which is the declarative. The third one is the exclamation, which is the exclamatory. And then the third one is the question, which is the interrogative. So for the declarative, simply, for the imperative, simply answer C. For the declarative, simply answer S. For the exclamatory, answer E. And for the interrogative, answer Q. You understand?
Okay, miss.
Okay, instead of saying declarative, simply say statement or S. If you, instead of saying imperatives, simply answer C or command, short for command. And then instead of writing exclamatory, say, or saying exclamatory, say E for exclamation. And instead of saying interrogative, simply write C, IQ, or good for question. Okay, next. Number 1. Janessa received a new bicycle from her Aunt Edith.
S.
Janessa received S. What is S? It is statement or declarative.
Declarative.
Very good. Okay, number 2. Why is there a large black spot on the living room carpet? Why is there
Q.
a Q? What
Q.
is Q? What is
Question. Question.
question for interrogative, right? Or interrogative. Very good. Number 3. Watch out for the tree branch that is falling. Watch out for the tree branch that is falling.
Exclamation.
Exclamation. Or E for exclamation or exclamatory sentence. Okay. Next. Come in and sit down while we prepare the meal. Come in and sit down while we prepare the meal.
Command. C.
Command or imperative.
Active sentence.
Yes, very good. Next. Is there a reason why the dog is sitting on the TV?
Question.
Question or
Question.
interrogative. Yes. Or interrogative sentence. Very good, Rosa and Nicole. Number 6. Please put the cooked noodles into the Tupperware bin. Please put the please put the
Command
noodles.
or imperative.
Imperative. Very good. Stop running in the house with your muddy boots. Stop running in
Exclamation or imperative.
imperative. Very good. I have never been so frightened in my life. I have never been so frightened in my life.
To convey information or declarative sentence.
Declarative sentence. If I am going to give emphasis, what would it be? For example, I am too frightened. I have never been so frightened in my entire life. What should it be?
Exclamatory.
Exclamatory sentence. Can you pass me the cobalt blue or oil paint, please?
Imperative.
Imperative. Write the shopping list on a piece of paper for me.
Exclamatory sentence.
Imperative.
Imperative. Okay. So you understand? Is it better now?
Yes.
Yes.
You have better understanding regarding the types of sentences. Do you still need to have another more examples or worksheets, or it's enough already?
Enough.
Enough. How about the others? How about the others? Oh, I will try to include Vinka and Rota. They were outside the classroom right now. Yes. I will have to place Vinka and Rosa inside the classroom because they were, I do not know what happened. Okay, so by the way, before anything else, is it raining in your country right now?
Yes, it's now not. It's now not raining.
It's
now not.
So that is
Now
why
not.
some of you, the connection is not that good, right? The connection is not that good. In our country, unfortunately, it is very hot. It is very hot. Weather or the
Electricity went on. Did the electricity went on?
Yes, the electricity is okay, but the weather is very hot. You know what? It has a heat index of 43.1 degrees.
In my place, it's also really hot. Because it's overheating, really.
Yes.
It's not clear.
Yes. And then in Dubai it is still raining for the past 3 days, I think, or 2 days. It has been raining. If you notice from the news that you can see from the internet, you notice that the runway from the airport is flooded. Have you seen the news lately? Have you seen the news regarding the Dubai weather? The Dubai weather, when I went to United Arab Emirates, part of it is actually the country where Dubai is, I did not experience something like that. I was not able to experience something like that. So I was quite amazed how it happened, because we all know that Dubai, as part of the GCC, is actually a dry country or a very hot country wherein you can find the desert, right? The desert. So now it has been raining. So the weather is not that good anymore. So be careful, okay? Do not go out unless otherwise you need to go out. So stay at home. Bring with you your umbrella and jacket as well as your raincoat. Okay? If you cannot,
Miss, I think in my country is now, the rain is now stopped.
it has stopped already. So how about the weather? Is it still hot or it's cold?
I don't know, I haven't go outside. It's
You haven't go out? Oh,
Miss, in my place, still
yeah.
raining hard.
It's still raining hard. So, does it accompany with a thunderstorm or some what is that? The lightning?
I don't know. I didn't really pay attention. I can
Uh,
only hear a little sound because I blocked it with my window and then I closed off my doors, so it's not noisy.
Okay, very good. So do not go out, okay? Unless otherwise you need to go out, but as much as possible, you do not need to go out. Same with Rosa, right? Rosa, in your place. How about in your place? Is it still raining?
Raining?
Okay, so is it a hard
Yeah,
rain or a little bit?
hard rain, but now it is stopped.
It stopped already. Okay, very good. So do not go out again. Do not go out. Drink lots of water to avoid, we cannot really, if
Yeah.
it is raining, always raining, we
Your,
can.
your voice is not clear, ma'am.
Okay. So my voice is not clear again. I do not know what is happening with my voice, but I am actually using the same all over again. But I guess there is something wrong with the connection. Okay. By the way, so we will have to continue with our lesson on Friday, right? We will have a class on Friday, but I am thinking whether I will give you a quiz. Okay? I am thinking whether I will give you a quiz or we will actually continue with another lesson. So what do you think it is? Are we going to have a quiz or we are going to have another lesson?
Another.
Another lesson. So on next Friday we will have another lesson, and maybe on Monday, if you can, if you can actually master the next lesson that we had, we will try to make a quiz whether on Wednesday or on Friday next week, so that we will have two topics in one quiz. Is that okay with you? Two topics in one quiz. Is it okay? What do you think? Or I am only going to give you one topic. Quiz for one topic, intended
I
for
think one topic because I usually confused.
Yes, there will be a confusion how you are going to answer the quiz. Okay, so it's already 7 p.m. in my country, while in your country it is 6 p.m., right? So because of that, hi Mark, you are late. So because of that, we will have to see each other again next meeting. So do you still have class today after me? You still have class today?
Yes.
After my class?
No.
Okay. So we will wait for, who is your teacher, by the way?
Miss Adeline,
Nancy. So she's still using this Zoom meeting?
yes,
I'm going to wait for her
we will have Korean class on 7 o'clock.
at 7 p.m. in your country. But how about the 6
Yeah.
p.m. time? You do not have class for 6 p.m. time?
6 p.m. No.
Oh. Okay, so what is it? Would you like us to continue, or you are going to eat your dinner and be back at about 7 p.m.?
I have and eat dinner.
Yes. So you are going to eat dinner right now. So because of that, I will have to say goodbye for now. See you again on Friday. Bye-bye, class. Take care always, okay? Be
Bye.
careful. Do not go
Bye
out.
bye.
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 Bye.